It's like cutting shin bones, like back in the good old days of the mafia. Okay, bro, your time has come.
You can do what I do. No, you.
Hello, archery friends, and welcome back to my channel, Supersonic Archery. Today it's going to be scientific and destructive at the same time. You know why? Because I've ever wondered what materials a Grozer Biocomposite Bow is made of and how the laminates are constructed. If you have the same questions, then you're absolutely in the right place today, because I am taking apart an original Grozer Biocomposite Assyrian bow with my best buddy, the little nasty saw. And here you see, ta-da! I'm telling you, today it's going to be nasty and painful, but it's all for scientific reasons. So, as I always say, enough blah 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 blah, let's get shit done. Alright folks, here for proof, my Grozer Assyrian bow. And I'm going to disassemble this bow for you on my exclusive Mafia interrogation table. Let's get started. Okay, bro, your time has come. So, and here you can see one of the sias of a Grozer Assyrian bow. That's the sinew materials or the sinew windings, which are meant to support the sia from breaking. And you can also see the extra wood inlay for the string notch. Nicely done, I would say. Also, here you can see the grain and structure of the bamboo veneers, and you can also see how fine the sia fade out is made. Wow, it's really sturdy. Yeah. So, I hope you can see, as mentioned, the graining of the bamboo veneer, but also this fine white springy hairs. That's the power glass material used on the Assyrian bow. But we're not finished yet. Come on. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, by the way, Mr. Grozer, I've got a warranty claim here. Just kidding, folks. Oh yeah, that was a snap. Let's check out how these veneers are glued together. So I hope you can see it. So what we've got here. Okay, so the top, on the top you can see the sinew plating, and it's super thin material. Come on, focus. God damn it. So maybe let me try something out. One moment, folks. Alright, I'm back again. Ah, way better. Let's check this out. Now you can see the bamboo veneers. Here is one bamboo veneer. Here we've got fiberglass material here, and on top of the fiberglass you can see the horn. And to me this seems to be, I would say that's real horn glued onto the top of the powerglass veneer, and both materials together glued on top of the bamboo veneer. And this little white stripe here in the middle, that's the maple sia material which runs here. Very interesting, I would say. So the backing then starts with two layers of bamboo, then followed by one layer of fiberglass material, followed by one layer of sinew plate. And I am pretty sure this sinew material is a processed material, but very interesting. So how many layers we've got here? 1, 2, 3. Then the white stripe from the sia. So 1, 2, 3 sia, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 laminations. Very interesting. Let's check this out. So here you can see the fiberglass lamination, the sinew windings to stabilize the fade out of the sia, and on top of this fiberglass you can see the horn. And I can't say, or I can't see if this is artificial horn or if this is real horn, but to me it looks and feels like artificial horn, which isn't a bad thing. I would say it's made out of pulverized horn mixed with resin and then brought in shape and formed like a veneer, and after that process it then got glued on top of the powerglass, which to me would make sense. Well, then on the direction of the backing, again you see the 2 layers of bamboo, and Grozer uses real bamboo. I also would say it's tempered bamboo, and I also would say the bamboo laminates are tapered, which is also a very good thing. And as always, on top you can see the famous overall looks of the Grozer Biocomposite bows with sinew backing. So, and here the counterpart of the sort of sia Let's check this out, how it looks. Yeah. Now here you can see it clearly, and again I can confirm the sinew material is real sinew. Now that it became humid from tapping it with water, I can feel it's real sinew used here. So that's a plus to me. In addition to that, now you can even see it or recognize it better. That's the layer. Here is the layer of sinew. This entire piece, the entire thickness is sinew, followed by one layer which starts right here. This here is the layer of fiberglass, which then is followed by 2 layers of bamboo. Then comes the fine and thin piece of Sia fade out, then followed by another layer of bamboo, followed by another layer of glass fiber, and on top of the glass fiber now you can see the artificial horn belly, which to me seems to be made out of pulverized horn mixed with resin and then brought in shape and then glued onto the top of the fiberglass, which is not a bad thing. Not a bad thing at all. Okay, so let's check out how the riser is made. Wow, very sturdy and difficult to saw through. It's like cutting shin bones, like back in the good old days of the mafia. Oh yeah, that sound of shattering bone. Okay, let's clean that up a bit. And here you can see the riser is made out of nice maple. And again, you can see the veneers and layers up to the backing, which is here. You have one layer of bamboo, followed by another layer of bamboo, then followed by another layer of power glass, followed by sinew lamination, and down to the belly you have one layer of bamboo, one layer of fiberglass, and one thick layer of, I would say, artificial horn. So in here you can see its original sinew wrapping. Like Mr. Grozer always says, he uses original sinew wrapping, and it is indeed real sinew. So yeah, very interesting, and that's a big and thick piece of horn. But besides that, I hope you can also see how even the gluing lines are. There are no gaps and no visible glue, at least to me. So that's very good quality there. Very good craftsmanship by Grozer Archery. So, folks, here you have it. The mafia interrogation table always finds out the truth. Well, folks, now you've seen it yourselves. The original laminations of a Grozer Biocomposite Bow. Well, my mafia interrogation table always finds out the truth, in combination with my nasty saw, my big freaking knife. Well, what can I say about the used materials and the build quality of the biocomposite bows made by Grozer? Well, of what I have seen now, I can tell you these bows are very well built together. The laminations are very good. The used materials are, at least to me, spot on. To me, the horn belly, as I mentioned in the clips before, is made out of some kind of horn powder mixed with resin and then brought in shape and glued onto the top layer of fiberglass, which is okay to me as long as the bow performs good and the bow performs good. And in addition to that, the gluing lines and all the tiny tolerances, they are perfect. You can't see the gluing lines, and which to me is a very cool surprise how thin and fine the SIA fade outs are crafted, and also the riser fade outs. So this shows me the perfectionist and the eye to detail the craftsman has while building the bow. In conclusion to all of that, I can say that a biocomposite bow by Grozer Archery can bring many years of joy to the user when handled correctly. You know, if you don't shoot the bow with too light of arrows, if you don't dry fire the bow, if you don't twist the limbs, and if you don't leave the bow in a car parked in the middle of nowhere, heated up like an oven, or if you don't leave the bow in a frozen environment, yeah, if you don't do these bad things to the bow, I'm pretty sure this bow will bring you a lot of years of joy and fun. So folks, if you liked this video and if you also like my Mafia interrogation table, then show it to me. Comment in the box down below. Let me know, what do you think about Grozer Biocomposite bows? Do you like him? Do you don't like him? And why you don't like him? And come on, show me how cool you are. Subscribe to my channel, leave a like, leave a comment, and share my video. Well folks, now thank you for your time. And as I always keep saying, let's blah 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 blah, let's get shit together, and let's see next time. Ciao ciao.